Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing another fall makeup tutorial. Today, I think I want to go for more of a dark green eyeshadow look. So I did a burgundy eyeshadow look last week. So if you haven't checked that video out, make sure you go do that after this. I'll link it down below and also probably on the screen at some point during this video. And I just thought that green would be kind of like a different eye color to wear, and it would definitely be perfect for fall. So let's get started. So today I didn't do my face makeup, I only did my brows. So I'm using the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation today. I'm going to use my Beauty Blender and dab some of this all over my face. Foundation has literally become one of my favorites, so I highly recommend. I do have an entire review of it on my channel, but I just really love this foundation. For concealer, I'm using my all-time favorite Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape Concealer. If you guys don't know, I love this concealer. I don't know, it's the best. I use it every single day. I dot this underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin. I don't like to, with this concealer anyway, like make a shape of a triangle under my eye because it'll look like too heavy, I think. So I just like to dot it because it is so full coverage, but I do blend it out in the shape of a triangle so that we still get the same effect, but just a little bit of a lighter look. And for my powder today, I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Tap my Beauty Blender into that and add that underneath my eyes and along the bridge of my nose, a little bit onto my forehead just to set it. For my bronzing powder today, ignore the powder on my face. I like the viewfinder, I look crazy. I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics bronzer in the shade Tequila Tan, and I'm going to use a bronzing brush, contour brush. I'm going to bronze my face, blending it up into my hairline and on my temples. Using a blending brush, I'm going to use the same bronzer and contour the sides of my nose. Going back in with my translucent powder, I'm going to clean up the contour. And then I'm going to go in with a fluffy powder brush, just dust all of that off. And then what I like to do is go back in with the bigger end of my Beauty Blender and just tap everything to make sure it looks all blended. My blush today, I'm using the Benefit Dandelion blush. Just going to add this to the apples of my cheeks and kind of bring it up a little bit. I like to blend it kind of into my bronzer a little. Now I'm going to go onto the eyes. For this green eyeshadow look, I'm going to start out by using the Kylie Cosmetics You're So Money palette. To use this Morphe blending brush, I'm going to add the shade Blue Faces, which is a matte nude color. I'm just going to apply this onto the crease, and you guys know I always do this. I just like to add definition to the crease and the eyelid before we add any other colors. It really helps to blend everything together. And I'm also just adding a little bit of that to the lower lash line. Before I go back to the Kylie palette, I'm going to use the Morphe 35V palette, and I'm going to use this to add some more neutral colors to build up the brown in the crease and everything before we add green. I'm going to add the shade Scandal, which is a matte nude color again. Add this into the crease, kind of bringing it a little bit above the crease so that when we add the green, we still have like this hint of brown in the crease. To add the shade Vixen, which is a little bit of a deeper brown, and I'm just laying that over top and kind of focusing it just to above that crease again. I just got new like Morphe brushes, and this brush, the M441 brush, which is the one I've been using, is so good. Like, I haven't tried this one out yet, and this one is like amazing. So if you guys are looking for a really good eyeshadow blending brush, this is amazing. I love this one. Like, it's blending everything so nicely. Okay, now we get to add some color. Going back in with my Kylie palette, I'm using the shade Stacks, which is a matte green color. I'm going to just apply this to the lid. And I'm just going to continue to build this color up. I'm just using this flat eyeshadow brush to really kind of pat this across the lids and blend it into the crease a little bit. Now I want to go into my Morphe palette. I'm going to add the shade Devoted, which is a deep green color. And I'm just going to apply that. I'm just going to apply that over the other Kylie shadow. To help us get a little bit of a better color payoff, I'm using this really dense Real Techniques eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to use the same green color from the Morphe palette and pack that onto the lid. And as you can see, that I think makes a difference with how pigmented the shadows come up. I'm using the green again and adding that to the lower lash line. Now I'm going to go back into those two neutral brown colors that we used in the crease before, and I'm just going to reapply them to the crease. I don't know if I'm going to add liner today because I'm really liking the blended out looks lately that don't have such sharp edges all the time. I need to add the shade Ballin' Bay, which is this gold color right here. I'm just going to use a pencil brush and add that gold color to my inner corners because I'm really liking a gold inner corner lately. So for my lashes today, I'm using the House of Lashes Juliet eyelashes. They look like this. They're so pretty. So to blend in this lash band, I'm going to use a black pencil liner and just line the inner corner with a black pencil to make it look like the lash band is continued. For my mascara, I'm using the Tarte Big Ego mascara, and I'm going to do this to blend in the falsies with my real lashes. I'm also going to add this to my lower lashes. Now that the eyes are done, I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty highlighter. This is the Lightning Dust and Fire Crystal Highlighter Duo. I'm just going to mix both of these highlighters, apply them to my cheekbones. I applied some to the tip of my nose, bridge of my nose, and then also just right above my brows. And I'm just going to tap out some of this highlighter on my nose. For lip liner today, I'm using the Morphe Crush Lip Pencil, just lining my lips. Definitely want a nude light lip with this eye look, so that's what I'm gonna go for. On top of that, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Pure Hollywood, and as you can see, it's a very light nude color, so this is what I'm going to use. And I like to use a darker lip liner when I use these kinds of liquid lipsticks. So everything is done, and this is the finished look. This look is super smoky, and I don't usually wear green eyeshadow, so it's something different and fun for fall. I really liked playing with this color today and creating this eye look for you guys. So let me know what you guys think of it down below in the comments, and if you guys wear this color eyeshadow. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button when you subscribe. It's right next to it to turn on your post notifications so you're notified when I upload every single new video. I upload a new video every week, so be sure to go check out last week's video. You guys can also find me on Instagram and Snapchat at Victoria Costanz, and on Twitter at Vic Costanz. So make sure you follow me on there, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!